Justin. There we go.
Oh, good for you, Carl. All right.
Well, a little bit nicer than what we did before.
There you go.
Can you cut him off now?
What's that?
He cut off.
Hold it up.
There you go. That was your feet.
There you go.
That counts. You're right though, you get real soft.
Whoa, there's a skill on that cat.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know anything, but I've read just enough to. I got some of the buzzwords down, you know.
If you don't watch out, if you don't use backing on that braid, sometimes it'll just spin on the.
Oh, wait for another. Oh,
Put it right straight to you.
I got it. I think. Man, it's a big one. Oh,
No meat on it.
all right. Do you mind taking a picture of me with this? I have a friend I fish with, and he's familiar with something like this. Charlie loved that picture, wasn't he?
Yeah. Uh-oh. Oh, I got it. I thought it was stuck on again, but it didn't. It'll be closer than I wanted to be.
You know it's just the way you played it.
Yeah.
Just trying to make
Something
me
got
feel
yours, Cole?
I know, I'm looking.
I think so. Pull it.
Hey, that's enough now.
Come over there.
Whoa!
Come over there.
Hold him up before you pull him back.
You want a picture of that one? Yeah. I'll hold it close to the camera, make him look bigger.
There you go.
I'd never do a thing like that. That's a cheap trick, you know.
Oh!
Boy, it sounded good.
It was. What else would be in here? That was gray.
With the bass up here, going to be a different color because the water's so dark.
All right.
They're going to be a different color than the ones we were catching.
Okay.
Something got it? Nice. Did something happen?
Oh, could be.
That counts.
All right. I usually use that size for bait.
I thought I saw your line moving.
Yeah.
Hold him up, let me get a picture.
Okay. You put a catch on that fish on the right.
Put him in front of you just a little bit. There you
All right. Now remember, I let you go. Come on back.
There you go. It's that sauce, right, Tom?
Well, let me tell you how I did it, Cole. You got a while?
Yeah. All right,
All right. Whoa.
yeah, right.
Yeah. Well, wait. Nope. Stop.
Get a picture before you throw it back.
Oh, yeah. We don't want to waste that one, do we? All right. Let's try this hand this time. Okay. See you later, buddy. Oh!
With the rod tip.
Well, I'm wearing them.
That white rag right there. If you want to, you can just take and bring it out and leave it there.
See, let me tell you what I did, Cole.
Yeah, cold. Yeah, for here.
See, you got to move him out a little bit to the left,
Let me
then a
see you
little bit
worm.
to the right.
Hold
Let me
his
see you
feet
worm a
just
minute.
right.
Oh, yeah. Crawl.
It's on. Yes, sir. Nice. Come on, have one here. I get the line. Oh, hell's right here.
Oh, come on now.
You got a Tom?
Oh my goodness. Got my pole caught in my suspenders. How can that be? Alright, you. Okay.
Surgery.
Need a pair of pliers?
I use my teeth if it gets bad. I think I'm okay. Ta-da!
I like it.
You know, I've been trying. I haven't felt a single dish rag yet. I hope they come in all colors.
You catch a dish rag.
Now I am.
Oh, good. Oh, watch those fins now.
We get it.
Yeah,
Need a little more line. There you go. Come on now. Oh shit, I'm going to run.
There you go.
I'm so sorry, little fish. I didn't mean to.
bless you there.
What about the lip?
Oh, yeah. Ooh, wait.
Got him.
Alright.
Okay. monster. Another monster.
Get him reeling in, Tom?
Can't remember.
Oh, come on.